What is up, everybody? Mark is all good here. Of course, like I said yesterday, you're on my page. You should know who I am. And one thing we're going to do, let me move this up a little bit. Maybe a couple people will be on here in a couple minutes here. Side again. Eleanor is actually sleeping. So, uh-oh. Hope everybody's doing great today. Had a good day today. We are actually met with a LTN. Man, I would forget it again. But anyways, an insurance broker here in town, and it was a really cool name. I should have looked it up. I really apologize about that. But it's LTN Insurance. He's a broker here in town. Met with him at Refuge Coffee. His name is Chris May. Awesome guy. So if you need any help with your insurance, please reach out to him. I did film some stuff, but I made a rookie mistake. I didn't check my video before. I didn't check what setting it was on. It was actually on slow-mo, so I slow motioned the whole video, 20 minutes. So it's not going to work, and it doesn't have any voice or anything in it. So I'm going to have to redo it. We did talk about doing a podcast together, and we'll record that. But we had some really good information in there that I'm probably going to share. I want to save it for the podcast and save it for the video because it was just really good hearing it from his voice. And just from the insurance agent itself is actually a lot better to hear from him than it is from me. Like, I could regurgitate it, but he just tells it a lot better. And then went to chiropractor, but I did have a little bit of time without Elle. Did some more CE training, and Elle got to do some school over at Grammy's house, so that was nice. So and then I came home and I made a bunch of phone calls through my leads I got through Facebook. Got to talk to one person, but it was around 3 o'clock, and so I think the timing was bad. I'm probably going to hit it back up about 5:36, maybe 5:30. It took me about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to get through all the calls. So I'm going to try it again around 5:30 and see if I can't reach some of these potential leads I have. So one thing I want to bring to you today, a little bit of value, since that is my update on the real estate career. A little value that I want to bring to you today is going to be a quick little segment of basically 10 steps to buying a house. We're not going to go super in depth with it. I am going to do a video about it and put it on my YouTube channel, Matt Marcus Allgood, and go more in depth with it. But this is just a brief overview. First, you want to check your credit score, and you really want to get with the lender to try and check it because of the fact that Credit Karma and those free ones can kind of be off a little bit from when they actually hard hit it from a lender. So, but you could use Credit Karma or CreditWise, one of those, and you get a basic idea. But don't be mad if the lender comes back and tells you you're like 40 or 50 points off. As long as you're above like 640, you're probably going to be okay. Like into the 680, you'll probably still be in the range of the good prices or the good loan terms for it. Then you want to figure out how much house you're going to afford. Don't ever buy too much house. I've seen it before where people buy too much house. They're house rich and they can't even afford to get tires on their car because their mortgage payment is too high. Then, of course, you want to find me, Marcus Allgood, your certified agent here in town, Fairhope, Daphne, Baldwin County. Find out. Let me know if you're looking or if you want to buy. Just let me know. I am the agent here in town. All right, then you want to get pre-approved through a lender. It's different. There's two different versions of you get pre-qualified or pre-approved. I am going to do a video that is going to explain that a little bit more and in depth with that, but you want to be pre-approved. Most agents are going to look for pre-approved over pre-qualified. So if you can, definitely get pre-approved. Number 5, you want to start the home search. Get with your realtor and have them, search for some homes. Have them sit down and talk to you. Hi, Elle. Have them sit down and talk to you and find out. Have them stop. Have them actually have them sit down with you and find out like what you're actually looking for, and have like a seller's consultation with you. Or if you're the buyer, have a buyer's consultation and find out what's important to you, how much money, how many bedrooms, how many baths, and all that good stuff. And, you know, if you want 2-car garage, 1-car garage, go inside, please. Come here, I'll hold you. All right, sorry about that. Come here. You want to say hi? Come here.
Hey, Dad.
Hi. All right, so we got Eleanor here. She just woke up. I'm gonna tell hi, everybody. And then after you find the home of your dreams, you want to make an offer. And in today's market, you don't want to put many contingencies on it, and you're not going to want to lowball the price of the house unless it's just a wreck of a house and you want to fix it up. If it's a fixer-upper and you want to work on it, then you probably could. But if it's a new home or like within 5 years, you're not going to be able to lowball the price anymore. Then you want to schedule an inspection, and most of the time your realtor is going to handle that for you, and they're going to do a whole lot of other stuff for you too. But we're not going to get into that right now. Then you want to, of course, secure financing either through a local lender. If you're going to the beach, you definitely want to go to a local lender. But here in town, Fairhope, you can pick whoever you want. But I suggest working local. I like supporting the local community myself. And then number 9, you want to purchase home insurance. That's where Chris May is going to come in. And LTN Insurance. It's over by Billy E's or Old 27 Grill. And the wind's blowing our camera around. And the number 10 one is going to be close on the house and move in. So that's going to be a lot of paperwork signing, and sit down with the agent and just the closing attorney or title agent just going to sign a whole bunch of paperwork and just be excited and just be glad that you're getting to move in. It's a ton of paperwork to sign, but just be happy you get to sign some paperwork and get into a new house of your dreams, hopefully. Elle needs to wake up. Moved out of the frame. And other than that, that's a quick rundown of the top 10, not top 10, but just 10 things you should do to how to purchase a home. And I'm going to break it down a little bit more in some different videos. I'm going to do a little series on it. So if you haven't checked out my YouTube, check out my YouTube. I got all these lives on there, and they're also on my Facebook. But I'm going to start doing more videos on YouTube for y'all. More learning, more educational videos, so that way everybody can learn a little bit more about the housing business and what realtors actually do. All right, can anybody see you, Harper? Wave hi. All right, where'd y'all go? Yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. Have a good day.
I'm going to Benji's. Oh, I'm going to Benji's.
I'm trying to. There's the babies. Hi.